If you're trying to make money online but don't know where to start, these are 3 beginner-friendly websites that can actually pay you, and in some cases, even daily. The biggest problem beginners face is not knowing where to go. There are so many options online that it gets overwhelming. So instead of trying everything, I'm going to show you 3 platforms where people are already making money and how you can start. The first website is Fiverr. This is one of the easiest platforms for beginners. You can offer services like writing captions, screening content, and basic editing. And with AI, you don't need experience. You can create a simple gig set, a low starting pricing, build reviews. Once you get traction, you can increase your pricing. The second platform is Upwork. This works a little differently. Instead of clients coming to you, you apply for jobs. The advantage is higher paying clients, longer term work. You can use the same AI-powered services here. The third platform is ClickBank. This is different because you don't offer services. Instead, you promote digital products and earn a commission. You don't need to create anything. You just choose a product, promote it, and earn when someone buys. Here's the smart way to use these together. Use Fiverr or Upwork for active income, use ClickBank for passive income. That way you're building multiple streams at the same time. Most beginners sign up and do nothing, expect instant results, or quit too early. Consistency is what makes these platforms work. If you want a full step-by-step system using these platforms, I put everything into a free guide. It's linked in the description.